Hi, my name's Nate. We're really excited to have you here as part of MMCs. We built MMCs to make it really easy to get your Coast Guard license, and once you get it, to renew and keep it up to date. What you're going to do is you're going to start by using this home page as your checklist. So you'll see each one, you have 9 steps to go through. You're going to complete each one of those steps, from adding C service, adding any training that you have, making sure your medical is good to go, going and getting a TWIC, adding that drug test in, verifying your identity, taking that Merchant Mariner oath, figuring out your pay.gov fees, and then figuring out your profile at the end. When all of those are completed, a little button will appear here, and MMCs can really easily push that application through to the National Maritime Center and get you your Coast Guard license. If you run into any trouble or have questions along the way, all of these eyes pop up YouTube videos. There's different in-depth articles we've written to make it really, really easy. You can just use those. Also, if you run into any trouble, you can click this help button over here. Help will make it also really simple for you to reach out to us. We'll answer your question as fast as we can. If you want to watch this video again, you can click on the eye up here in the original, and we'll pop up, and you'll be able to see this again whenever you need it. As you're working through, I'm going to start by adding a bunch of C service. So I'm going to click Add C service. And that'll bring me in here. So you can see I've added in my C service, and as I've done that, I've been able to check the boxes to make sure that my C service is all added in. I added in my TWIC, and it turned green. I emailed in my medical. I took the oath, and I uploaded the right piece of paper. And so now you can see my C service history. You can click on vessels. You'll see how the Coast Guard is going to give you credit for that time that you put in so far. Also, the credit they're going to give you for positions. So in the deck service, I was supervised for some of it. Then all of your documents are here, so you're never going to lose a piece of paper again. All my trainings here, and my supporting documents, my TWIC and my Merchant Mariner oath. I click on home, I can see my upcoming dates. So my TWIC card is good, it's going to not expire for a while. My Merchant Mariner oath is good for a long time. I did take GMDSS in 2017, and I need to make sure to submit that before the 22nd or 25th of April in 2022, as well as the OXSAIL 2 class I took. I need to make sure to submit that before November 1st, 2022. When everything is all done, you'll see that a new button appears that says Submit with MMCs. You click on that button, make sure to tell us exactly what it is that you want, and we'll put together a perfect application for you and then deal with the Coast Guard on your behalf. As you're going through, you can click on Settings. Settings will bring you to all of your payment information, what organizations you're part of if you're working with a company, as well as your referrals. So you can use this QR code on your phone. You can send a Facebook or LinkedIn message, share a MMCs via your email. That's my personal code, or you can copy the link any way you want to do it. It'll make life real easy for you. You can check out your subscription information, your payment information, and also your account settings if you want to download all your information on your own and do things that way. Again, I'm Nate from MMCs. Thank you so much for being part of this, and we're really looking forward to helping you.